Hello members, this is Aman from Upmove Stocks. We hope that you are doing well. So the new year has started today. We would first like to wish our viewers a very happy new year and a prosperous year ahead. We hope that your trading and investing journey remains fruitful, not only in the coming year, but also in the years to come. So the topic of discussion today is portfolio sectors for 2022. A lot of people will be planning to make investments in the coming year in different forms of investment avenues like equity, fixed deposits, real estate, and all that stuff. So we thought of identifying five sectors in the equity category, which according to us can provide better returns than the other forms of investment vehicles. So the information that we have presented in this video is based on our own research and analysis. We request you to please consult your financial advisor before making a decision as to whether you should invest in a particular sector or not, or as to whether you should exit from your existing portfolio and create a new portfolio all together. So please consult your financial advisor and simply do not rely on the information presented by us in this video, as the information presented here is based on our own research experience and effort. So the five sectors that we believe can provide better returns include technology, tourism and entertainment, auto and auto ancillaries, green energy, and specialty chemicals. So first we will be starting with technology. In past 1.5 years, we have realized the importance of technology. Although technology was there all the time, but we never realized its actual importance. It was only with the use of technology that we were able to manage our work from the comforts of our home. We could simply avoid going to office just because of technology. Companies allowed us to work from home only because of technology. Children were able to manage their studies only with the use of technology. We were able to order groceries without going out only with the use of technology. So technology is not only restricted to IT companies or something like that. Anything that simplifies your way of working or any innovation that reduces the time that is involved in completing a particular task, it can be categorized as a technology. So technology is one of the most important sectors that we believe can still provide better returns in the year to come. The second sector is tourism and entertainment. A lot of people, analysts, and advisors will argue with us as to why you are including tourism and entertainment as of now. See, in equity market, you will have to be a little futuristic. You cannot consider only the current scenario. So as soon as we will hear any positive news related to maybe the announcement of a new vaccine, or maybe the maybe the elimination of virus or something like that, you will see a sharp upside in the tourism and entertainment stocks. So it is at this point of time that we should be looking for a stock that is undervalued or is available at a decent price, because we want the return to come to us in the maybe next 3 months or 6 months or 9 months, but we need to make a decision right now. So tourism and entertainment involves aviation, it involves your restaurants, it involves cinemas, it involves event management companies, and a lot of other stuff So tourism and entertainment is another sector where we believe there can be a boom in the coming year, because the sooner or later the virus will end, and a lot of people would like to spend time with their friends, their relatives. They would like to travel abroad, they would like to go to movies with friends, they would like to have a meal in the restaurant and all that stuff. So tourism and entertainment, we believe, is another avenue which can provide better returns than the market as a whole. So the third and the another important sector that we believe can provide better returns is auto and auto ancillaries. The demand for automobiles is likely to increase in the coming months. First, because electric vehicles will start coming to the market, so a lot of people will be interested in buying those vehicles, and auto ancillary companies which are supplying material the to electric automobile manufacturers are likely to see rise in their revenue as well, because as and when the demand for electric vehicles will rise, companies engaged in the supply of electric vehicle components to these automobile companies will also increase. Also, people would prefer to travel by their private vehicles for the fear of transmitting virus from one person to another. So the demand for automobiles can increase in the year to come. An increase in revenue would be an increase in demand would mean an increase in revenue, which may result in better profitability and a higher price for the stock. So the fourth sector that we believe can provide good returns is green energy. Green energy is something linked to renewable energy. So the current government is quite insistent on generation of green energy because it helps in controlling pollution. So India is one of the largest pollution manufacturers, you can say, throughout the world. So there is a need for controlling pollution, and green energy production can help in controlling pollution to a great extent. Not only that, it will also help in reducing the pressure on other forms of fuels like petrol and diesel, because if the demand for green energy increases, the demand for other forms of fuels like petrol and diesel will decrease, and we might see a decline in the price of these commodities as well in the coming future. So green energy is one sector that you should seriously look at, because we have identified around 2 to 3 stocks in this sector which have already given more than 100% in past 1.5 months. Obviously, we cannot name them here because you would try to buy these stocks at the current price and then you will suffer losses. So we will not name any particular stock, but yes, green energy as a sector looks quite appealing to us. So the final sector that looks appealing to us is specialty chemicals. So India is one of the largest suppliers of specialty chemicals throughout the world. It is supplying a lot of variety of specialty chemicals to a wide range of countries throughout the world. There is significant demand right now, and it is likely to increase in the near future. So specialty chemicals is one of the areas that we believe can provide excellent results, not only in the current year, but also in the years to come. While looking for a specialty chemical stock, you can look for a stock that, or for a company that provides material to a pharmaceutical company or maybe pharmaceutical industry, because that would help you in identifying a company, that would help you in including a company in your portfolio that constitutes features of both a specialty chemicals company and some sort of pharmaceutical industry as well. However, it is not very important. If you can identify a good specialty chemicals company, even that would be sufficient. So we hope that the information provided in this video is useful to you, and you will be able to generate some ideas on how to manage a portfolio. And before ending this video, we would again request you to please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decision or switching from your existing portfolio. This is Aman signing off. Bye bye. Take care.